The 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6 has arrived with a fresh appeal, combining practicality, comfort, and a premium MPV experience tailored for Indian families. With its bold SUV-inspired design and three-row six-seater layout, it remains one of the most stylish and value-packed options in its segment. In this video, we'll explore the entire vehicle inside out and break down the major components and features along with the updated prices. Starting with the exterior, the XL6 carries forward its muscular styling with a redesigned grille that features a bold chrome bar in the center, flanked by quad LED headlamps and integrated LED DRLs. The new dual-tone alloys and revised bumper designs give it a sportier stance. The XL6 measures about 4,445 mm in length and has a good ground clearance of 180 mm, making it versatile for both city and light highway runs. Under the hood, the 2025 XL6 is powered by a refined 1.5 litres K15C dual-jet petrol engine, equipped with mild hybrid technology. It produces 103 PS of power and 137 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The smart hybrid system helps improve fuel efficiency and provides smoother acceleration. The claimed mileage is around 20.27 kmpl for the manual variant and 20.97 kmpl for the automatic. Inside the cabin, the XL6 offers a premium and spacious experience. The second-row captain seats are a major highlight, offering excellent comfort for long journeys. The dashboard has a dual-tone black and silver finish, and the 7-inch Smart Play Pro touchscreen infotainment system supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and voice assistant features. The flat-bottom steering wheel, cruise control, automatic climate control, and ventilated front seats elevate the driving experience. The XL6 is loaded with safety features including 4 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP with hill hold assist, a 360-degree camera, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and rear parking sensors. Higher trims also come with a tire pressure monitoring system and auto headlamps with Follow Me Home functionality. Another highlight is the addition of Suzuki Connect, a connected car tech that enables remote operations, geofencing, driving behavior analysis, and emergency alerts through a smartphone app. For those who enjoy long drives or traveling with family, the XL6 offers a boot space of 209 litres with all 3 rows up, which expands significantly once the third row is folded. The seats have good cushioning and recline options in all rows for added comfort. Now let's talk about pricing. The base model Z2 manual starts at a superscript 111.61 lakh, while the Z2 automatic is priced at a superscript 112.11 lakh. The Alpha variant, which adds more features and chrome detailing, is priced around a superscript 112.60 lakh for manual and a superscript 113.10 lakh for automatic. The top-spec Alpha Plus variant with ventilated seats and more advanced tech costs a superscript 113.20 lakh for manual and a superscript 113.90 lakh for automatic, all prices ex-showroom. The XL6 is also available through Maruti's premium Nexa dealership network, offering better after-sales service and showroom experience. With its blend of space, comfort, fuel efficiency, and features, The 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL6 is a solid choice for those seeking a stylish family MPV with SUV characteristics. Whether it's city commutes or family road trips, the XL6 delivers practicality without compromising on looks and technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and latest auto updates.